everyone. Hey, I'm gonna be doing a makeup tutorial. I want to say a pink makeup tutorial, like something that's very like you could wear like probably every day. And yeah, let's get to the video. All right, so first I'm going to use my foundation. I'm a MAC girl. I like MAC. I'm sorry. Everyone's like, oh, you need to try Fenty and all of that. I don't think it covered me that well. Yeah, so I like using MAC. So today I'm using Studio Fix Fluid in the color NC50. I feel like the other foundations that I have, they don't really give me full coverage, and I have like a lot of scars. And then I don't like how you could still, I mean, some people, they like to wear makeup where it doesn't look like they're wearing makeup, but I say like, if you're wearing makeup, you might as well wear it, okay? Like, what's the point of the non-makeup look? You're wearing makeup. Like, who are you trying to fool? And then there's another thing, I don't like using like buildable foundation. You know how some of them like, oh, you could get full coverage if you just keep building it. I'm like, why? That's like wasting more foundation. So you don't have to keep building it and it lasts longer. I don't know. That's what I think. You see my lips are getting better. Yay, it's healing. Yeah. I normally put foundation first. Some people, they do their eyebrows or their eye makeup first, but I normally put foundation first. I don't know why. That's just how I put it. I don't think there's a rule to this makeup game. You just do what looks good. Alrighty, my hair. My wig's not glued down, but I try not to use glue on my wigs. I don't want like my edges to be gone. Okay. See how I look? Covered all the little dark marks. Yeah, so now that my powder is set, I'll do my eyebrows. It's better. Then I'll use a clear brow gel from Anastasia. As you can tell, all I use is Anastasia and or Anastasia and MAC. Like, those are my favorite brands. I want to try Huda. I heard Huda's pretty good. But like, I already have so much like eye palettes. I don't want to like keep buying the eye palettes and they're like the same color. Is it me, or you notice like when you buy eyeshadow palette, it's literally the same color? Okay. All right, now I'm gonna use concealer. Where's my MAC concealer? I need a healer. I think I said it wrong. But you know, I love Nicki Minaj. Yeah, I'm a Barbs. Love Nicki. And then I'll use the Beauty Blender, right? So I'll look up, make sure you go get that skin under your eye. Back in the days, I used to hate my nose. I'm like, why is my nose so pointy? But you know, as you get older, you know, when you were in middle school, like you were so like hard. Like I felt like I was hard on myself. Like I did not like my nose. I did not like anything. I think the only thing I liked was my eyes. But the funny thing is now I like everything but my eyes. It's so funny, right? I love putting makeup. I know, like, some guys, they're so mean. They be like, you out here looking like a monster. Like, listen. And I'm like, dang, you're so rude. And normally it's black guys. Like white people, they just mind their business. But I'm lying down, you're so rude. Then I'm gonna use this Pro Slanting buffing brush from Sephora. I'm gonna use this Sephora brush. This is like the cheaper kind, cause I was buying like these really expensive kind. Honestly, you see what I use my money on. I use this brush. It's like a slanting brush, and then I forgot to tell you what this is. So this is from Benefit Hula Toasted. And it does the job. I really like this bronzer. I use powder. I know a lot of people use cream. Like the cream, I guess you look more snatched with the cream, but I like looking all matty and I don't know, I feel like powders are more soft. So I'm gonna use Anastasia Beverly Hills, and the color that I'm using is Exotic, which is the middle one. Put a little brush. I kind of like just follow what I did with the bronzer. I don't really like the rosy, like it's all rosy right here. I just like try to make it straight bronzer. Okay. See? Now onto eyes. Alright, so today, what color am I gonna use? It's pink. So since it's pink, I'm gonna use the Ambreezy makeup palette from Anastasia. I really like the colors in this. Right. So I'm first gonna go in with New Yorker as a base coat. Just go like around. Yeah, I'll use the 1988. This is like a brown. Start from back here and then like try to like brush it this way. Alrighty. Then I'm gonna use, oh, and I'm using the MAC, this MAC buffering brush. I think it's Simesa's. I'm just gonna use that right here, right on top of my crease where my highlights. Okay. Now I'm gonna change brushes to this other matte brush. It's like an eyeshadow brush. And I think I'm gonna use there's a shadow called Barb. I'm gonna use that. That's my nickname, Barb. Doesn't even look that pink, but it's because of the brown, but I needed the brown. I like when it's like a dark color on the end. I think I'm gonna use this cupcake color under my eyes. Before I wasn't using the mirror, now I'm like, I need the mirror. You could tell I'm a first time YouTuber. Don't worry. Next time it'll be better. Now I'm gonna go, I like to color my waterline with black. So I'm gonna use, I believe it's Tarte. Got this little free sample from Tarte. I'm gonna use that on my waterline. Now I'm gonna use Stella. Stella's pretty good. This eye pencil, I didn't know about it. One of my friends, she told me, oh, you should try the Stella eye pencil. It's so good. And then this is in the color Intense Smoky Quartz. Now I'm gonna use mascara. Honestly, this is my all-time favorite mascara. This is from Milk. Oh, the label. Basically, it had milk here. And I really like this one because my eyelashes, they like, they're not like, you know how some people have like straight lashes, like it's straight, it doesn't curl or nothing. Like mine, they curl into each other, okay? Like they always hugging each other. Much love. I like my bottom lashes, they're like so straight. I mean they curls, but like it's more behaved than the top ones. The top ones, they do whatever they want. Gotta work with God, babe. I normally like doing teardrops, so I'm gonna go back with my eyeshadow brush from MAC, and I think I'm gonna go with like gold. Geminis. That's so funny. Yesterday I was talking about how Geminis, the sign Gemini, those people are like mad crazy. And someone tried to say that I was a Gemini. And I was like, I ain't no Gemini. Right? You see it? I'm gonna use MAC Gold Deposit Mineralized Skin Finish. I'm gonna use a Sigma brush tapered highlighter. Listen, these brushes were really cheap, honestly. I think it was like $100 for like a quality that was like that's supposed to be $200. Yeah, I love highlight. I just love how the sun hit my face and it just looks so glittery and cute. Alright, I'm gonna use my eyelashes, my all-time favorite eyelashes, Lily Lashes. These are in the style So Extra Miami. I mean, there's regular Miami and then So Extra Miami. The So Extras, listen, it gives me that extra length. It's so cute. I like my lashes very, very wispy. Just like I'm flying in the air like a butterfly. That's how I love my eyelashes. Okay. Now for the lips. This video was longer than I thought. I'm gonna have to cut off some parts. Okay. So I'm using a lip liner from MAC, color brown chestnut. Everybody knows about chestnut. This is like a staple. This is a pink cream sheen glass in the color Uganda. Such a pretty color. I used to use this other pink called Angel, but they stopped making Angel. But this is Angel was like mad pink, like you could see. But this one, you had to put like a pink lipstick first. But I just wanted to look glossy, honestly. Alrighty, well that's my look. Thank you for watching.